Welcome back to Viet Flavours. Today we're making Chinese pork bone and corn soup, a comforting, clear broth made with naturally sweet corn, tender carrots, and savory pork neck bones. Using both corn chunks and loose kernels makes the soup beautiful to serve, while still making it easy to enjoy by the spoonful. Before we begin, let's take a look at the ingredients. We'll need 900 grams of pork neck bones, 3 ears of fresh sweet corn, 2 medium carrots, 3 dried shiitake mushrooms. For the aromatics, we'll use 3 slices of fresh ginger, 2 green onions. For the seasoning, we'll use salt, ground white pepper, and either rock sugar or mushroom powder, all to taste. For garnish, you can use chopped green onions, fresh cilantro, or both. The broth gets most of its natural sweetness from the corn and pork bones, so only a small amount of additional seasoning is needed. Start by placing the pork neck bones in a large bowl and covering them with cold water. Let them soak for about 30 minutes to help draw out any excess blood. While the pork is soaking, place the dried shiitake mushrooms in a separate bowl and soak them in cold water for about 1 hour. Next, take 1 ear of corn and carefully cut the kernels from the cob. Set the kernels aside and keep the bare cob. We'll simmer it in the broth later to add extra natural sweetness. "30 minutes have passed, so let's drain the pork bones and transfer them to a large soup pot for blanching. These preparation steps may take a little extra time, but they help create a clean, savory broth and remove any strong odor from the pork. Cover the bones with fresh cold water, then bring the pot to a boil over high heat. Once boiling, cook for 3 to 5 minutes as the foam and impurities rise to the surface. Drain the bones and rinse them thoroughly under cold running water. Give the pot a quick clean before continuing. Return the cleaned pork neck bones to the pot. Add the ginger slices, green onions, and the reserved corn cob from the ear used for the loose kernels. Pour in enough fresh water to fully cover the pork bones. Bring everything to a boil over high heat, then reduce the heat to low. Partially cover the pot and let the soup simmer gently for 45 minutes. While the broth simmers, prepare the remaining ingredients. Cut the carrots into large chunks, then cut the remaining corn ears into similar-sized pieces. Drain the soaked shiitake mushrooms, remove the tough stems, and slice the mushrooms into bite-sized pieces. 45 minutes have passed, so let's check on the soup. Wow, the broth looks beautiful. The pork is tender, although it hasn't reached that fall-off-the-bone texture yet. That's perfectly fine. We'll continue cooking it together with the vegetables. The ginger, green onions, and corn cob have done their job, so it's time to remove them and make room for the vegetables. Now, add the corn chunks, carrots, sliced shiitake mushrooms, and the loose corn kernels. Let the soup simmer for another 25 to 30 minutes. or until the vegetables are tender. At this stage, the broth is already naturally and delicately sweet, so I'm adding only a small amount of seasoning: 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper, and a few pieces of rock sugar. Adjust the seasoning to your taste, then let everything cook for another 5 minutes before turning off the heat. Ladle the soup into serving bowls, making sure each one includes plenty of pork, carrots, and those sweet loose corn kernels. Garnish with chopped green onions or fresh cilantro for a pop of color. Enjoy your pork bone and corn soup, a truly beloved and comforting staple of Chinese cuisine. Thanks for watching Viet Flavors. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves elegant, soul-warming soups. Let us know in the comments how yours turned out, and tell us what dish you'd like to see next.